ShiftCare customer, in addition to obviously having access to our platform, we also have a number of different areas where you can access support or resources in order to have a overall better experience when using the platform. So for starters, if you sign into your ShiftCare account and look in the bottom left corner, you'll actually see this chat bubble here. And if you go ahead and click on that, you'll be able to send a message to our support team for any sort of assistance that you might need. They typically do respond in under a minute. And in order to actually send that message, all I have to do is just click on messages here, and I can shoot one off to the support team for whatever I might be looking for support on. In addition to that, we actually have a YouTube Learning Center as well that can be accessed. That might actually be how you ended up finding this video. So it's stacked with content, everything from our basic plan to our premium subscription. It's all going to be covered in here as far as the content goes on how to actually use the ShiftCare platform. In addition to that, we also have a help center that is on our website. But if you go into your ShiftCare account and go to the top right corner and click on the question mark, it'll populate the help center. And so I might be looking for help on a particular piece of software, like maybe it's reoccurring shifts. I can actually go into the search bar and type that in here. I'll get a couple different hits on how to create a reoccurring shift or maybe how to modify a reoccurring shift. If I go ahead and click on that, it's going to populate a quick video for me to watch. It'll take me right there, as well as, depending on the topic, there might be an additional article in writing that you can kind of walk through just as a way to learn the platform and better support you. In addition to the resources like the customer support and the YouTube Learning Center and Help Center, we also encourage all of our customers to provide us with feedback. You can do that in the top right corner by just pressing the feedback button right next to the help button. And you'll actually be able to get some insight into our product roadmap. So as you can see, this is our roadmap. You can see the different items that might be under consideration, as well as anything that's already been planned. And then lastly, you'll see the items that have already been launched. So a little bit of insight into the product roadmap, as well as you could submit an idea. So I can come down here and I can submit an idea, kind of talk about or label it, how important it is to me, and then submit it to our team. So we're constantly looking for feedback from customers. It's a very important part of how we end up structuring our product roadmap. And then the last piece here would just be this little present we have here in the top right corner. If you click product updates, you can actually see a couple different articles on new updates to the software. You can read about them, just ways to kind of stay on top of the software, maybe new features that are ultimately going to help your business. At the end of the day, we're generating a lot of our product roadmap off of feedback from our customers. So we're constantly trying to release new features, and those features are going to populate here so that you can get a little bit of better insight on ShiftCare and maybe something that might help out your business.